Hi everyone, I'm here to let you know how to record your presentation using Screencast-O-Matic. So let's just begin with the first step on how to do this. So what you need to do is you need to open the website Screencast-O-Matic and create an account for you. If you have done this before, then all you need to do is just log in. And once you have created an account, you will see this page. Please make sure that you choose a free plan because I really hate for you to spend any money to record your presentation. Please understand that the free plan, just like what I have said in the classroom, allows you to record your presentation for up to 15 minutes. So since almost all of our speeches are less than 15 minutes, I think you will not have any issues using the free, service that is provided by the Screencast-O-Matic. So after you see this screen on your computer, what you need to do is take a look at your blue arrow at the bottom of your screen that says Get Recorder Launcher. So you need to download your launcher to be able to record your presentation. Now, after you download the recorder launcher, you will see this screen that I have screen captured on this PowerPoint slide. And you can start recording your presentation, but make sure that you click on both instead of just on screen or on webcam, because if you just click on the screen, it will only capture the screen. And if you click on the webcam, it's just going to capture your face basically from your camera. So since most of your presentation will need PowerPoint slides, then I do recommend you to choose both so that I also can see your slide as well as see your facial expressions as you deliver this presentation. And then when you have recorded your presentation, you will click the Done button that's there, like I screen capture here, and there are a pop-up menu that you can choose. You can choose to save or upload, and then you can choose quick share, and you can also choose edit video. I tend to click on the edit video first because the edit video allows you to actually replay the video that you just recorded, and then you can see it yourself, and then you can make the decision whether you would like to use the video that you have recorded or you would like to delete it and then redo the recording. Whatever it is that you decide to do, I usually do several takes before I am satisfied with the result. So make sure that either you save it or you do quick share, that you're going to upload it on either Google Drive or YouTube, and provide me with a link to your video. Remember, after you provide me with that link, please make sure that you click on that link and that you're able to open it. Because if I cannot open the link, then that means I will not be able to evaluate your video. So it's going to be a waste of time if you have already recorded it and I will not be able to actually see it and grade it. So yes, I recommend you to do some check and recheck for that one. So that's it basically. Please make sure that you send me the link to the presentation by email. My email address is provided there on the third slide to uli.putri@frontrange.edu. And then also upload the link on your D2L assignment folder that says Pecha Kucha's speech that I have created. And I really look forward to watching your presentation. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and good luck with your presentation. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to email me, and I will try my best to help you so that you will be able to create a video that you're proud of. All right, thank you everyone.